Hello, children. Welcome back to Twin Minds Education, where expert teachers help you build strong concepts with complete clarity. So, this is part 4 of perimeter and area series. जैसे कि आपको पता है हमने अपना पार्ट 1 में बेसिक इंट्रोडक्शन, पार्ट 2 में पेरीमीटर किया था हमारी 3 शेप्स का, स्क्वायर, रेक्टेंगल एंड ट्राइंगल, और हमने अपनी लास्ट वीडियो यानी कि पार्ट 3 में किया था एरिया ऑफ स्क्वायर एंड रेक्टेंगल। हम अपने पार्ट 4 यानी कि पेरीमीटर एंड एरिया सीरीज के पार्ट 4 में करेंगे ट्राइंगल का एरिया, दैट मीन्स द एरिया ऑफ द ट्राइंगल। नाउ ट्राइंगल होता क्या है, how can we form the area of the triangle, what is the derivation, we'll come to know in this video, and along with that we will be doing some 2 or 3 realistic word problems. So let's begin with this video now. Now, coming to what is triangle. Triangle is basically a closed figure with 3 sides. If you can see, this is a triangle. But in the concept of triangle, why have I drawn a rectangle? Is there any connection between that? Yes, there is a great relation between a rectangle and triangle. Look here. This is a rectangle. We have already learnt about rectangle. Rectangle has 4 sides and the opposite sides, a pair of opposite sides are equal. That means AD and BC are equal. AB and DC are equal. Now, coming to if I split the rectangle in 2 equal parts. First part is this and the second part is this. Now, if you look here that the first part I have drawn here, the half of the rectangle is a triangle. That means ABC here, if taken apart, is actually a triangle. But if you know that all the angles of the rectangle are right angles, that means they are of 90 degree. Same way, this one angle is here also, it became 90 degree. And here we are talking about a right angle triangle. That means in a right angle triangle, one angle is 90 degree and the side opposite to the right angle triangle is called a hypotenuse. Now, coming to this triangle, do we know the area of a rectangle? Yes, we have already done that. Area of a rectangle is length into breadth. That means length into breadth. Length into breadth. Any two adjacent sides product is the area of the rectangle. This we have already done in the previous videos. Now, triangle is half of rectangle. We know, we just now proved it. Same way, area is also half the area of rectangle. Area equals to half the area of the rectangle. Area of triangle equals to half base into length. Length into base or base into length means the same. Or half into base into height. How? Base is this and height is this, which was breadth and length in rectangle. In triangle, it becomes base and height. And hence, we got our area of triangle, that is base into height. So this is the area of a right angle triangle, that is base into height into half. Half into base into height. Now we'll start with some real life examples, or you can say realistic word problems, which will help you to learn this concept in a better form. Our question says a triangular garden has a base of 10 meters and a height of 12 meters. Find the total area of putting the grass. Now, first of all, I'll draw a hypothetical triangular garden. They are saying that the base is of 10 meters and the height is of 12 meters. Let's name it A, B, C, and since we know that this is the base and that's the height, so obviously this will be a right angle triangle and the side opposite to right angle triangle is called hypotenuse. Now, coming to, first of all, we will write base equals to 10 meters, and height is also given to us, that is 12 meters. Now coming to area. What is area? We have already done the formula of area. Area is basically half base times height or into height. Half base times height. That means half. Tell me what's the base? That's 10 meters. And if I talk about the height, that is 12 meters. So if you multiply it, and you will get the answer as 60 meter square. Always remember that whenever we are writing about area, our final answer, our area will be in meter square, in the square units always. Okay, now coming to the next question. So we have our next question. The question says a triangular road sign measures as 8 centimeter base and 5 centimeter as height. Find the total area to be painted. Now again, let's draw a triangular road sign. Suppose that's the road sign. This is our 90-degree. Base is, they've already given base as 8 centimeters and height as 5 centimeters. Again, we'll name it A, B, C, and we know that the side opposite to the right triangle is the hypotenuse. Now again we will be writing what is our base. Base is 8 centimeters. What's our height? Height is again 5 centimeters. Now, coming to the area, the formula, what is the formula of area? That is base into height half times. That means half into base is 8 centimeters and height is 5 centimeters. Now, what will be our answer? 8 into 5, 40. 40 divided by 2 will be 20 centimeter. One thing is wrong here, that is square. Always remember, whenever we are finding area, area should be in square units. Either it's centimeter, meters, millimeters, or any unit. It should always be in square units. I hope you have understood the concept of triangle. In this video, we have talked about a right angle triangle. In the coming videos, we will be introducing scalene triangle and isosceles triangle as well. Ending this video, I would like to know your doubts. If any, you can mention in the comment section. For any type of queries, doubts, classes, coaching, or one-on-one batches, you can contact on this number or this email. Will be coming with the part 5 of perimeter and area series very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye bye children. Radhe Radhe.